Before getting into the video, I just want to say that my channel is suffering from a deficiency of a subscriber and a treatment is must, so just quickly hit the subscribe button. I gave her another try to draw my friend, but this time it's a commission, so I think it's a win-win situation for me. Anyway, this time I improved a lot from previous one. I did use a reference since like previous one I didn't have any knowledge in drawing something like a realism stuff, so I referenced it from Ross Draws. He's a great artist and there's no need for me to tell about him since everyone know how great he is. This time I did like the outcome. Like previous one I really didn't like the outcome, but this time I did like it. And also I enjoyed the process in making that, the whole piece and the time I spent. I think it's all worth it. After me completing the piece, I was just amazed that yeah, I can do it. And I did learn something important, that is patience. The key to satisfying art is patience. Just believe in your skills and keep drawing. That's what I learned from this piece. And I did like, since I told that I did like the outcome, I definitely like the outcome. I like the time I spent in this art. I think it's what worth it. I practiced, even before drawing this, I practiced a lot of stuff like poses, drawing something from real life so that I can get the style. And I think it's important to start practicing before getting to your piece, like a warm-up. So the video is coming to the end, and if you guys like my art sketches, just check out my Instagram account, link is in the description. And if you guys like my process and video and art stuff like this, consider subscribing to my channel and also hit the like button. So that's it for today. Bye.